Arcimoto is a great company to work with. Mark and his team are easy to get along with. There's a lot of good things happening here. I'm pretty sure that this is going to be a giant success. Sandy Munro.
Hi, Sandy.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Nice meeting you.
You must be with Munro Live.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Please, everybody, give a warm welcome to Sandy Munro.
Thank you so much, Mark, and thank you for inviting us. And actually, thank you for allowing us to help you scale up your product. Our job is to help Arcimoto scale up to the productivity levels that we need to get to, or Arcimoto needs to get to, in order to make sure that everybody's happy with their vehicle. Thank you so much, Mark.
Hey,
thank you.
Sandy,
Thank you.
again.
Here at Portland International Raceway, I have the legend that is Sandy Munro. Thank you for talking to me, Sandy.
Nice to meet you, Sandy.
Well, thank you so much. That's amazing. Thank you.